Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a little look around the state since it's a pretty late winter day here. Maybe a little snow off into the mountains southwest of Boulder. Lewistown, sun is going down. Should be a very cold night tonight. And how about that sky up in the northeast part of the state? How about the fact that there still is light out? And it will be even lighter later after we spring ahead this Saturday night. So Helena right now still in the teens, very cold day. The average high is 45 for today. And in Great Falls, almost looks like we have a little bit of some fog that is developing there. 11 degrees right now. Feels like 3 below zero. Outside with that light wind. So single digits, teens here, some 20s on the other side of the Continental Divide, but Lewistown, it's almost dropping below zero right now. With that wind, and the wind is not that strong, but it's just pretty cold, we've got wind chill values below zero here for a lot of the state. Again, warmer west of the Divide. Wind chill advisory up on the Canadian border and then all the way down into southwest Montana, as frostbite could set in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes in conditions like this. Skies are clearing out, and again, it maybe had a few flakes of snow out there near Fort Peck Reservoir, some snow off towards the south into the Central Rockies, which is good. A lot of these states need some moisture, and had a sloppy snow and rain event moving up into New England here as we went through Wednesday afternoon. So speaking of Wednesday, tonight, clouds clearing out, mainly clear skies, calm wind, and some fresh snow on the ground. Those are ingredients for what will be a cold night. When you have all those ingredients, it just enhances the long wave radiational cooling that will take place. And temperatures will be even colder tonight than they were last night into this morning. Some clouds moving in early tomorrow morning. And we've got another little system coming through with a few snow showers, but this one is more about the wind. Blowing snow up on the Continental Divide and out across the central and northeast part of the state here. Of course, had a little fresh snow on the ground. The snow is still very light and fluffy because of how cold it's been. And with that wind, that will interact and could have some blowing snow issues. The wind dies down Thursday night. And Friday, we get an increase in the cloud cover through the day. And that is a sign of some warmer air that will eventually be moving through as the pattern will change from coming down from the north to coming in from the west. A little light snow for tomorrow afternoon in some of the mountains, a coating up to an inch, that's it. And then Saturday night into Sunday, and then as we go into Sunday afternoon, may get a little coating of some snow up on the high line and in some of the higher elevations of central Montana. With this system going through, fast forward to Sunday, and low pressure working its way right across the state here. Monday will be mild. Most of the precipitation over this upcoming week will be west of the Continental Divide here. However, that's some pretty good snow that will be adding to our snowpack in the higher elevations as we go through next week into next weekend. Here's the forecast for tonight. Even colder tonight than last night, with many areas dropping well below zero here. Lewistown, pretty chilly, and around the Helena area, we were 10, 15 below this morning. Some places could be down close to 20 below in those normally colder spots. The valley likely around 0 to 5 below. For tomorrow, here comes this little cold front. It's more about the wind. There will be a couple of snow showers out there, but blowing snow an issue. Friday starting to warm up. 19 for the high in Glasgow, 40 in Helena, Great Falls, and Missoula. Saturday, talking about springing forward, look at these temperatures, 40s and 50s. It will be pretty windy on Saturday. And then Sunday, a sloppy late winter storm or a March storm coming through, 30s and 40s with a little mix of some rain and snow. A couple inches likely accumulating into the higher terrain. So after we get out of this cold snap, things do moderate back up into the 40s, even the 50s, as we go through this weekend and next week. So some warmer air is on the way.